Hey guys, and welcome to the 4th day of the 40 Days of Pores Challenge. This is the dried result from yesterday. Very cool looking. I love the metallic. I love how it kind of like swivels right there and gives motion. So I like that. And today, for our challenge, we are doing a tree ring pour. So I'm going to do kind of like, it's going to start with cool colors and then work into warm colors. So I'm going to start with a base of silver. And I like to do my tree ring pours where I kind of pour them down the side of the cup. And then next I'm going to do Phthalo Blue, Liquitex Basics. Alright, and then light green permanent by Liquitex Basics. And gold. I think I kind of shot that in there. And I think I'll go yellow, because I was going to go red, but because it's gold, I'm going to go yellow. Oh, dang it. And red. No silicone, it's just the basic mix that I showed you guys in my pre-mixing video. And then for a tree ring pour, all you're basically gonna do, you can either swirl it or you can just let it drop, and I'm just literally just gonna pour it like this. And the thing with tree ring pours is the last color, or the first color you put in is going to be the last color that comes out. Oh, I used a lot of paint. So. Alright, I'm going to try to bring it back to the center. Alright. Get a torch on there. Oh no, I dripped on there from my fingers. I knew that was going to happen. Oh, that's so upsetting. That is so upsetting. I might just have to stretch at least this one off. Oh well, okay. And then we'll just leave that one as like a little surprise swimmer or whatever. All right. I will bring you guys in for a close-up. All right, and here is our close-up. As you can see, the silver kind of it looks white, but it's definitely silver. I wish I had kept more of the blue and green. It's silly to me that the green ended up over here, so much so, though. But I think that's awesome. I love how it turned out. It's definitely a surprise. And of course, oh, I'm still frustrated by the little dot. But just know, don't torch your canvas right after you tilted your canvas and have a bunch of paint on it. Okay, I will see you guys tomorrow for our next pour, which is going to be a traveling tree ring. So if you would like to join me or you have any suggestions on colors that I try out, go ahead and comment that, and I will see you tomorrow.